I'm Devlin Steele, a member of the Harvard Business School Analytics Program and the Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals. I want to welcome you to an exciting opportunity for a live video web conference that could make a profound difference for you and your family. Many have said this unique web conference has opened their eyes to retirement possibilities they never knew existed. I study data and I know that both income and growth assets are an important part of a portfolio. Here's the thing, so is gold and silver. This conference is not about being anti-traditional assets or doomsday. There's lots of information out there, and it's sometimes hard to know what to listen to. You can read economic indicators as they happen. However, I have a source I respect more. My cohorts from Harvard are all trained in data and work for global companies you know. They tell me there's supply chain and labor problems around the world. As a result, in their opinion, the latest bump in inflation is not short-term, and we're just at the start of a long-term inflationary period. I value their opinions more than newscasters, the Federal Reserve, and government talking heads. And I want to make sure you get this information so that you'll have the education you need to make the best decisions for you and your family. In this conference, you'll learn all about these things: why retirement could be at risk, Bidenomics, the Federal Reserve, and the economy's inflection points, historical performance of gold and silver, and their historical relationship to global currency, how much value the US dollar has lost, continues to lose, and why one precious metal is projected to outperform many other assets. Many Americans aren't educated in physical gold and silver. Frankly, big banks and financial institutions don't traditionally trade in physical gold and silver. But recent ads, articles, podcasts, and videos have exposed the benefits of physical gold and silver in a tax-advantaged IRA. It may be the beginning of a whole new understanding. In a survey reported by the New York Times, about half of all Americans were seriously thinking about buying gold. When you see the information that backs this up, we believe you'll join many Americans who are moving into alternative assets. Information is at the heart of our operating philosophy at Augusta Precious Metals. To quote our CEO, Isaac Nuriani, our mission is to educate and empower Americans to diversify and balance their retirement. At Augusta, we are committed to sharing this information with you. Helping you is how we gauge our own success. Make sure to bookmark your calendar for the web conference day and time. We look forward to meeting you during the web conference. We're sure you'll have a great experience, as so many people have told us they have.